Quality is an essential part of every software delivery. Without quality, it doesn't matter how fast you deliver software. Customers have a low tolerance for poor quality and will quickly become dissatisfied and move to a competitive product or service. So how can you improve the quality of your application?
The reason that quality is really important and how DevOps can help, the quality is about how well, not just how well the application works, but also, how well it works for the intended user and for the, sort of intended moment as well. That's the other thing. And the important thing about DevOps automation in this process is making sure that you are, the developer and those who are having to operate it are in step 100% of the way. I am not surprised that less than half the people surveyed that felt that the quality of their work wasn't represented in the quality of the actual final solution. Partly because when you bring everything together, you're looking at it in a much bigger way, and in many respects you might have put a lot of effort into that. You've done the testing and everything like that, and if somebody else hasn't done as much testing, or you haven't tested the actual application in its entirety, then you could have really great code, but if the whole program, the whole application isn't tested in the same way that you might have applied it, then actually that is the weak spot. The thing about testing is really about having something in place that is maybe automated, so that you're not having to rewrite and write new test scripts to kind of check something out. You want something that's automated, and in fact, actually, the more automated it is, so that actually it's checking while you're writing. The other thing about it as well, it's not just about functional testing, right? You want to be able to sort of think about all the other kind of tests that you want to do. Performance testing, kind of some, which is what is actually going now, kind of chaos engineering or destructive testing. So thinking about things in the exceptions, what would happen if this happened, thinking around that. And you'd have more time to do that if you had things more automated, which I think is really important to kind of really sort of dig out the things before they actually go into deployment.
Learn how you can improve the efficiency of your software delivery. Download the IBM Software Delivery Report and join the IBM DevOps Automation community today.